Now we are at question worksheet number 12, 8th standard. So here we are given which of the following bar graph represent the tabulated data. So the new cable customer is a cable company with the days Monday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Number of new customer 20, 35 and 10. So as you can see, it is 20, 35 and 10. So the first table is exactly correct. So you have to tick A here, and the B, C, D at the next page are not valid. Next, observe the given pie chart and answer the following question. So as you can see, I have marked clearly. Okay. Among total 20 students, how many children chosen the ice cream according to the given pie chart? So 20 children, and what did they said? Ice cream is 35%. So 35% is 35 by 100. So calculate 0 0 can be cancelled. 2 table 10 5 times, 5 35 7 times. So answer is 7. Next, we are coming to read the bar graph and answer the following question. Approximate lifespan of some animal. So first what you have to do, you have to see the table, mark it. Because the marking is not clear, I have marked it as 4, 8, 32, 12, 16, 24. According to the given bar graph, which two animal lifespan are in the ratio 4:1? So 4:1 means one side should be 4, other side should be multiple of 4. It should be 1. So that is not possible. So it can be 8, 2. That is also not there. It can be 12, 3, multiply by 3. 12, 3, 12, 3 is not there. Then 16, 4, so multiply by 4. So 16, 4 is there. So it is rat and cat. So cat and rat. So it is rat and cat given. So we write rat and cat. Now observe the following histogram and answer the following question in 4 and 5. So once you observe, the observe meaning is you write total to here. 2, 4, 3, 7, 6, 1, 3. Now the total number of teacher depicted in the histogram is, add everything, it becomes 26. Okay, find out the age group, least number of teacher are there. So least number of teacher are there in 1, and this is something like 50 and 55. So as you can see, video is not able to capture. These are all number of teachers, these are all their age. So the teacher of the age 25 and 30 are 2, 30 and 35 are 4, like that it is given. Okay, the bar graph show the population of a village from 210 to 221. So the population is given to you in the year 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that. So based on the given bar graph, which statement is not correct? The population was maximum during the period 14-15. So 14-15 is this, 5,000, this is true. The population of 12-13 is double the population 10-11. So 12-13 is 4,000, is double the population of 10-11, correct? Okay. The ratio of the population of 12-13 and the 18-19 is 1:4. So this is false. Because 12-13 it is 4,000 and 18-19 it is 1,000. So it is 4:1, not 1:4. Okay. So this is false. So false has been selected. Next, data of the birth survey of March to April was given in below the bar graph. Using the given data, answer the following questions 7 and 8. So as you can see, 7, between which two consecutive weeks the birth rate was very high. So birth rate was very high, was between 70 and 90. So it is the March first week to March second week. Okay. How many weeks the number of birth was less than 85? So less than 85, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. So as you can see, in how many number of weeks the birth rate was less than, because 90 is more than 85, 85 is more than 85, they are asking less than 85. So 80, 70, 60 and 70, so 4 weeks. So the answer is 4. The teacher compiled the score from the last quiz data. Answer given below, refer the data and answer the following question. How many students score more than 6 marks? So scores are given, frequency are given. More than 6 means we have to count 7 to 10. So everything when we count, it becomes 44. Say true or false. Class interval 0, 10, 10, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50. Frequency is given to you. The frequency table in the class interval 20 to 30. 30 is not included? Yes. 30 will come in the lower limit. So it will come in 30 and 40, not 20 and 30. Okay, next. With the help of the given histogram, try to answer the following question 11 and 12. Number of boys in each level of height 2, 4, 3, 5, 6, 2, 1. So, how many boys are there in the height of 155 and more? So, this is 155 and more. So, 6 to 1. 6 to 1 is 9. In which group or level of height contain maximum number of boys? 155 and 160. Okay, then use the table value for x equal to 5. This is given. Draw the bar graph. So as you can see, it is drawn. Draw the frequency table. This is the most liked concept of mathematics in the lower class. So everyone knows this. Thank you.